In this video, you'll learn how to apply a promo code on Wecasa for both new and existing bookings. By following these instructions, you will be able to enjoy discounts on your services effortlessly. To begin, start your booking process either through the Wecasa app or the website. If you are using the app, ensure it is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Once you have accessed the booking interface, you will be prompted to select the services you need and the availability that suits you best. After selecting your services and availability, you will see a booking form. At this point, look for the field labeled promo code. This field is typically located near the total cost of your booking. Enter your promo code in this designated area. Upon entering the code, the discount should apply automatically, which you can confirm by observing the updated total amount. For those with existing bookings, the process is slightly different. First, navigate to your customer account on the Wecasa website, wexio.soa. Once you are logged in, locate your upcoming session. It is important to ensure that you are using the same email address associated with your Wecasa account to access your bookings. After finding your upcoming session, look for the field labeled Add Promo Code. Enter your promo code into this field. Once you have entered the code, make sure to save your changes. This step is crucial as the promo code must be applied before your session starts to be valid. It is essential to remember that each promo code can only be used once per booking. Therefore, if you have already applied a code to a previous session, it cannot be reused for another booking. Additionally, always verify that you have entered the promo code correctly to avoid any issues. If you encounter any problems, double check your internet connection and ensure that your promo code is still valid. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.